Good morning, students. I am Ashutosh Ranjan, Science teacher of Modern English School, Bihar Sharif branch. Today I am going to start your 8th chapter, Safety First. In this connection, first of all, today I will discuss safety at home, because if we live in home, we should also follow different safety precautions for protection and live in our home without any injury, without any harm. If we not follow these rules, we can injure. So in our home, we should also follow some safety rules. Children should keep their toys, books or other belonging substances, objects on their proper place. Children should not scatter their toys, books everywhere. It can hurt them, they can fall, they can disturb these substances. Children should never rush on stairs. Children should never run on stairs, terrace, on other elevated places in our home. Children can fall down and they can injure. So, while living in our home, we should follow these rules. We should never play in our home with any sharp objects as knife, scissor or any substances. While moving on roof, we should not run on the end of our roof. We cannot sit on the boundary of our roof. We can fall down and injured. It cause major or minor injury. So in our home, we should also follow these rules. Simultaneously, in our home, fire is also very important necessity. Without fire, our food do not cooked, and we cannot eat in absence of fire. So while using fire in our home, in our kitchen, we should also, and person who cook food, they should also follow some safety precautions dealing with kitchen while cooking food. So while cooking, person who cook food in home, they should wear cotton cloths and they should not wear any synthetic cloth, because synthetic cloths catch fire easily. So it is dangerous while cooking food. So person who cook food always wear cotton cloths, and their clothes should also be not loose, because loose clothes can touch with fire and cause any burning injury. So person who cook food, they should wear cotton cloths and not loose cotton cloths. If anyone in our home find leakage of gas, they should not switch on any electrical appliances. They can produce a spark and cause any fire. So they should avoid by switching on any switch. While cooking food, a person should never put kerosene stove on the floor, because if kerosene is sprayed on the floor, it can catch fire and can cause any burning injury. While cooking food, if pot and oil of pot catch fire, so we should do not pour butter in pan. We should pour baking soda to put off the fire of pan. So these are some safety precautions from fire at dealing with fire in kitchen. Means while dealing with fire in kitchen, a person should be careful while cooking food. If person do not follow safety rules at home, at kitchen, they caused any injury, and minor or any major injury. So we should follow safety precautions everywhere for happy working, happy life. So for today, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.